Can this new toothbrush replace flossing? And how does it compare to a traditional electric toothbrush? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. This new toothbrush combines sonic brushing with a micro-bubble cleaning system designed to help clean between teeth where traditional toothbrushes struggle to reach. So naturally, it raises an interesting question. Could a toothbrush like this reduce the need for flossing? If that's true, it could help solve one of the biggest oral health problems I see as a dentist. Many people don't clean effectively between their teeth, and that can lead to problems like cavities and gum disease. But product claims are easy to make. Providing evidence is much harder. So instead of talking about marketing promises, I'm going to put this toothbrush through a real-world test. I'll use plaque-disclosing tablets to reveal exactly how much plaque is left on my teeth after brushing. We'll compare the results with my daily driver, the Oral-B IO. We'll test the AirJet X5 on its own, the Oral-B IO on its own, and the Oral-B IO combined with flossing. Then, we'll compare all three side by side. And at the end, I'll tell you whether I would personally replace flossing with this toothbrush as a dentist. This video is sponsored by Ranvoo. However, all opinions and conclusions are entirely my own. So let's find out if this toothbrush can replace flossing. Before we start testing, let's quickly look at what makes this toothbrush different. At first glance, it looks like a fairly normal electric toothbrush, but the technology inside is quite different. The AirJet X5 combines sonic brushing with what Ranvoo calls AirJet technology. According to Ranvoo, a small pump inside the toothbrush mixes air, water, and toothpaste to create millions of tiny microbubbles while you brush. The idea is that these microbubbles travel between the teeth and around the gum line, helping loosen plaque and debris from areas that can be difficult to clean. The brush head itself also uses high-speed sonic vibrations and sweeping brushing motion to clean the tooth surfaces. There are several brushing modes available, including clean, soft, whitening, and foam modes. Now, all of that sounds interesting, but honestly, as a dentist, I'm less interested in the technology itself and more interested in the outcome. Because at the end of the day, plaque doesn't care about marketing claims. What matters is whether this technology actually removes plaque effectively. So, let's put it to the test. To make this fair, I've intentionally allowed plaque to build up throughout the day. Now, I'm going to use a plaque-disclosing tablet. These tablets stain plaque so we can clearly see where it remains on the teeth. So let's take a look at the starting point. Now I'll brush using the AirJet X5. I've selected the soft brush head and clean mode. The soft brush head is gentle on the gums and clean mode is the standard setting for everyday use. And now, let's see the results. Looking at the disclosed plaque, this is actually a very clean result. There are small amounts of plaque remaining along the gum line in a few spots, and I can still see some plaque between certain teeth that isn't very visible on camera. But overall, I'm impressed. Most of the plaque has been removed and the teeth look clean after a single round of brushing. Now, after using the AirJet X5 for a while, there are a few things I like. First, it feels gentle on the gums. Some electric toothbrushes can feel quite aggressive, but this one feels comfortable to use. I also found the smaller brush head helpful when cleaning the back molars. Those areas can sometimes be difficult to reach, and the smaller head allows for more precise positioning. Second, it truly is an interesting piece of technology. The combination of brushing, microbubbles, and sonic vibrations creates a noticeably different cleaning experience compared to a traditional electric toothbrush. But there are also a few things worth mentioning. For me, it generally takes a little longer to use than my normal Oral-B IO if I'm aiming for the cleanest possible result. There's also a bit of a learning curve. And because the system relies on airflow and fluid movement, positioning matters. In some areas, especially around the front teeth, it can feel a little awkward at first. So while it's easy to use overall, it takes a little practice. Now, let's see how it compares to my usual toothbrush. Now comes the comparison I was most curious about. Before I started using the AirJet, this was the toothbrush I used every day, the Oral-B IO. We'll use exactly the same process. Plaque-disclosing tablet, same brushing time, same setup. And then we'll compare the results. And now let's look at the results. This one actually surprised me. As you can see, there is noticeably more plaque remaining along the parts of the gum line and on some of the side surfaces of the teeth. To be completely fair, I can't say with certainty that every variable was identical. It's possible that plaque accumulation, brushing technique, or other factors played a role. But based on this particular comparison, the AirJet X5 produced a cleaner result. Now, my first thought was, what happens if we add flossing? So instead of stopping the test here, I decided to continue. So I flossed thoroughly between all of my teeth and then looked at the disclosed plaque again. And this is what it looked like. The result is definitely improved. However, I can still see some plaque remaining along parts of the gum line. What's interesting is that there still appears to be more visible plaque than I saw after the AirJet X5 test, although it's difficult to compare the two perfectly because they were performed on different days. So I decided to go one step further. I carefully brushed the remaining disclosed areas around the gum line and other spots where plaque was still visible. And this was the result. At this point, only very small amount of plaque remain. This is probably the cleanest result achieved during this entire comparison. Now comes the interesting part. Let's pull all three results side by side. AirJet X5, Oral-B IO, and the Oral-B IO plus flossing. Take a moment and look closely. Pay particular attention to the areas between the teeth and around the gum line. Based on this particular comparison, the AirJet X5 produced the strongest result after a single round of brushing. That was honestly not what I expected going into this test. However, it's important to remember that this is still just one comparison performed by one person. Many factors can influence plaque disclosure results, including brushing technique, plaque accumulation, and day-to-day variation. So I wouldn't draw any major conclusions from a single test, but I do think the results are very interesting. So, can this replace flossing? For me, the answer is no. Floss still has one major advantage. It physically contacts the tooth surface between the teeth, and that's difficult for any toothbrush to fully replicate. But that doesn't mean the AirJet X5 failed. In fact, based on this comparison, the AirJet X5 performed extremely well. The real question isn't whether it can perfectly replace flossing. The real question is whether it can improve cleaning between the teeth compared to brushing alone. And based on this comparison, I think the answer is yes. The results were genuinely impressive. It feels gentle on the gums, the smaller brush head makes it easier to reach the back molars, and it appears to clean very effectively. If you already floss daily and do it well, I would keep flossing. But if you're someone who struggles with flossing or just rarely does it, I can see this being a useful addition to your routine. And honestly, after using it for about 3 weeks, I think it's a very good toothbrush. It feels gentle on the gums and it cleans extremely well. If you're interested in trying it yourself, I have a discount code and link in the description below. Now, one of the biggest warning signs that something isn't right with your oral health is bleeding gums. If your gums bleed when you brush or floss, don't ignore it, because over time, bleeding gums can lead to gum recession and other serious problems. So watch this video next. I'll show you exactly what causes bleeding gums and the fastest way to fix them. I'll see you there.